An Edmonton man is taking his drone hobby to new heights and new speeds. He built his own drone that can keep up with race cars on the track. Amanda Anderson has that story.
All right.
Martin Van Dram has been tinkering with electronics since he was a kid, buying his first drone about 6 years ago.
Well, when I first bought my first drone, I ended up crashing it a few times. Then you learn how to fix it, and then from there I got confident enough to learn how they work. And
after a lot of practice, Van Dram started a side business called Drone Buzz. His first job, shooting race cars.
I started with traditional drones, which are traditional camera drones to do photos and videos.
Not being able to keep pace with the cars was frustrating for Van Dram, so he built his own first-person view drone.
So I made it with bigger motors to see if I could go faster. I was told that the motors are a bit too big for what it is, but I get more flight time than most drones, so I'm pretty happy about that.
One of the cameras on his homemade drone sends a video feed to the goggles used to fly it.
It's very handy, so you know exactly what the drone's doing, if it's behaving different ways, so you can correct for it.
It can go fast, but so does the battery power needed to fly it, giving him just 5 to 7 minutes in the air.
Whenever I do a job, I usually have a bunch of these batteries laying everywhere, because all you do is land, change the battery, take off again, and just keep growing all the time.
Van Dram says he can reach speeds between 130 and 150 kilometers an hour. Keeping up with the cars he's trying to track is no longer a problem.
It's a rush. It's a huge rush. When people see me fly, they see me just standing like this, fly a drone, but they don't know that I'm like inches away from a car going 110, and then when I land, I'll be all shaking from the adrenaline rush.
Amanda Anderson, CTV News, Edmonton.
Well, our CTV drone